Hello there, today I have for you the 2020 Ford Transit Custom short wheelbase low roof crew cab, which comes with 6 seats and is in a lovely blue as well. This Ford Transit Custom has just over 31,000 miles on the clock as well. Now if I just come into the cab now, I'll just show you the front 3 seats. Here, such conveniences as, of course, 2 nice cup holders. There we are. And if I show you into the rear as well, we have 3 bench seats here, totaling up to a nice comfortable room for 6 people inside as well. Now if I just show you the cargo space in the back as well, it's rather generous, what with also having 6 seats in the vehicle and it being short wheelbase for a custom as well. There is of course a door on the other side as well to show you inside. There we go. Once of course for the driver's convenience there is an armrest of course which comes down. And if we just hop in, I can show you around some of the features inside. Let me just shut up the door here for you. Okay, so of course we've got a speedometer, average fuel, distance to empty. It comes with hands-free cooling, which also means Bluetooth and the like. Cruise control, air conditioning, 12 volts, radios. Go through some of the settings here as well. There we are. So this car comes with plenty, including Apple CarPlay. Heated seats, of course, so my bum is nice and warm. And last but not least, the best thing in any Ford Transit is this perfectly designed cup holder.